Hey guys, this is me, Evan here. Today we are playing Minecraft and I am making a survival world with anvils as the only thing. So if something happens, it happens. You know, I haven't done anything else except for change to the name and edit the super flat world edit stuff. So let's get into it. And also, I'm trying to talk louder, so you don't need to turn the volume up so loud so that you can just barely hear me. But I hope we can find a village, and there we go. A village already. As we get to this, I'm just going to tell you I might not be able to. Oh no! I'm running away from them, finding a different village. What happened? Oh my god, run! I hope it doesn't catch up to me. And I don't have any blocks, so I don't know what's gonna happen. Why is there this sand particles underneath flying anvils? Oh no, is it still there? It's gone actually. I'm just gonna not go there. And there's a chance I can find a ruined portal or something. This is smaller than the other village, but like it'll do me very good. I hope nothing bad happens here. I don't know where the big guy or the oh there he is. I don't know why that's open. Sorry, my mom just came in, but this is gonna be one of the smaller series, but I'm taking everything. I think something happened. Cause I'm lagging when I have like a full gaming PC. I'm not even looking at anything. Yep, something definitely happened. I'm just gonna watch it. I think it caught up. But I think this is gonna be one of the shorter series. But like I'm lagging so much with a really good PC. Ooh, yay, wood. And I'm doing no mods here too, so like this is just vanilla Minecraft. I have no idea what's happening. But I hope I can do this without, doing something. I'm surprised that the villagers are still alive. But what are you doing? Shh, video. Sorry. I'm gonna do this and then end it soon because dinner's ready. I'm gonna get to another house. And I've been having this idea where we would do this series where I only can do one thing till I beat the game. I don't know what happened, but I'm just gonna gather some wood, change it, and I'm sorry, but I have to end this. Bye, guys!